Are you thinking about upgrading your home lighting but not sure if lampsmodern.co.uk is the right place to shop? Before you spend your money, you might want to hear what we discovered. Lamps Modern claims to sell stunning high-end lighting fixtures, from elegant chandeliers and pendant lights to wall lamps and LED ceiling lights, basically everything you need to make your home shine. At first glance, the website looks professional, with a wide selection for different rooms and styles, giving you the impression of a trustworthy store. They even provide a contact number, email address, and seem quite active on social media, which adds a layer of credibility. Plus, there are several positive reviews on Trustpilot praising their product variety and reasonable prices, which might make you feel confident enough to place an order. However, as we dug deeper, things started to look a bit mixed. Some buyers have complained that the actual products didn't quite match the luxurious images shown online, describing them as looking cheaper or feeling lower in quality than expected. Others mentioned that delivery took longer than the estimated time, especially for larger items. These issues don't necessarily make it a scam, but they do raise questions about consistency and reliability. So while lampsmodern.co.uk isn't a shady website trying to steal your money, it might not always deliver the premium experience it advertises. If you're okay with possible delays or slightly lower quality than pictured, you might get a decent deal. But if you expect perfection and fast delivery, it's worth comparing other options before buying. Overall, Lamps Modern sits somewhere in the middle. Not a total scam, but not flawless either. Proceed with a bit of caution, and always read the latest reviews before clicking that Buy Now button.